Okay, if you've joined via an invite link, this is probably the first thing you're going to see. And you're probably going to be like playing around with Discord, and it's going to be a little overwhelming, not sure what is going on. So let's just take a step back. When you click on the top left menu, that's obviously going to open up what you're looking at now. So here we are inside Promofos. You can see that because there's this little white thing next to the Promofos logo, right? When I click on it, it's going to take me to whatever channel is highlighted. Right now, that's the how to join. But I can scroll down, and after you've got full access, you will see all the job channels. So for example, I could click on Kent, and it's going to take me to the Kent channel. When I'm in any channel, I can swipe across to see if there's any pinned posts. Usually there won't be unless it's an announcement channel. Anyone in purple is a staffing agency, and you can also see how many other folks are dialed in. You don't really ever need to navigate to this area. But what you probably will want to check out is the search button up here. So let's say someone's like, oh, did you see that job in, I don't know, for Blue Water in the Kent channel, and you can't find it. You could literally type in, I don't even know if Blue Water, if there's ever been a job for Blue Water, but I'm just saying as a demo. But there you go, there actually has been. So I could type in Blue Water, and you can see that any job that mentioned Blue Water that's been shared, you can locate it. And you can do that in any channel. So to get back to the menu, I can either hit the menu in the top left, or I can just swipe across, right? Don't get confused. Up here, a lot of folks, they're in their direct messages, and they're like, oh, I don't know what's going on. This is all I can see. You're in your direct messages. You're not in Promofos anymore. You've got to click back on the Promofos logo so that you're back in Promofos, right? All the channels are read-only if it's a job channel, but there are like staff-only chats where you can talk, get advice from other members, whatever that question may be, and just keep track of what other people are talking about. But that's really as difficult as it gets. These three buttons here, you can edit your server profile. So you can change how your name is displayed just specifically to anyone else in the Promofos server. So it could be Emily Smith, and I might want to put in brackets, London. So if agencies see that, they know exactly, what location I cover. Make sure you read the other channels, especially this read first section. There's going to be in this news alert, not there right now, but there'll be a video about how to manage your notifications once you have full access, and you would do that from up there. Otherwise, the first thing you need to do if this is new to you is head to the How to Join channel, click the link to get full access. It's free to get started. As soon as you have subscribed, you will receive an email with your code. Once you've got your code, go to your messages in the top left corner, and you will have a message from LaunchPass. You simply need to reply back with your code, whatever that is. If you do get stuck though, go back to Promofos. There's a dedicated Activate Code channel as well. So you could literally click here and message your code to LaunchPass that way. Just the code, nothing else. Hope you found this helpful.